Join me as I use some inexpensive, budget-friendly items to make outdoor decor. Welcome to the Chic Show. This is First Friday, and today we're doing outdoor decor. This playlist is hosted by Brenda at Rustic and Lace DIY and Krista at Krista Crafty Life. First, I'm going to be using these 4 craft sticks, and I'm going to be painting them with Waverly chalk paint in ink. But before I do that, I'm going to cut one end of them at a point. Now that they're all cut, they will all get a coat of Waverly chalk paint in ink, front, back, and sides. For the next part, I'm going to be using some of IOD's apothecary labels. These are going to be plant markers, or herbs in this case. So I have parsley laid out on my stick, and now I'm going to be applying some white ink that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to lay these stamps down, press gently on each one, and pull it straight up. I'm going to continue in the same manner with the other 3 sticks. This one is sage. The next one is rosemary, and if you can see where I'm going with this, leave a comment down in the comment section on what herb you think I'm choosing next. If you are a music lover or anywhere near my age, you already know. If you are not, be sure and Google the song Scarborough Fair. Here I'm using some clear stamps that I got from Dollar Tree. This is going to be a summer pillow. I did put some cardboard inside the pillow that I made out of drop cloth. I just hot glued 3 sides of it, flipped it inside out, and then now I'm going to use these stamps and stamp on a pattern. Once I went across with the pattern, I started to go down so that I could kind of space things out evenly, and then I just started filling in the blank spaces. Now that everything is stamped, I'm going to remove the cardboard from the inside and stuff it with some polyfill. I glued that 3rd side closed, and we have a finished pillow. I'm going to be using this child's shovel from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be painting it so that it looks like rust. I'm just mixing together craft paint until I get a rusty look. I did take it outside and spray the plastic shovel part with a clear spray paint so that this paint would adhere a little bit better. It did take 2 to 3 coats on the shovel part, but I think it turned out the perfect shade of rust. Now I'm using some teal paint, and I'm just adding some patina in various places along the shovel. I also did the same painting technique on the little metal bucket that you see sitting there from Dollar Tree. I went back and forth with the brown paint and the patina until I got the look that I was looking for. I finally switched brushes, and that seemed to do the trick. Now I'm using one of these cup hooks, and I'm going to screw it into the side of the shovel. I'm also going to hit it with that same brown paint so that it will blend in. Now all this little bucket needs is a little bit of floral, and then we're ready to hang it. I'm also using this little Garden of Whedon sign that I'm going to put along the top of the shovel. Now, I don't know about your Dollar Tree, but my Dollar Tree is selling these for 1 cent. I thought it was a mistake, and I went back and got another one and looked at my receipt again, and sure enough, it rang up 1 cent. So be sure and check your store out. So here's the perfect little spring and summer door hanger. I would love to know which of these DIYs was your favorite. Be sure and leave me a comment in the comment section below. And if you're still watching right now, let me know by hitting that thumbs up. Remember to check out all the playlist links in the description box below. Here's another video I think you might like. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.